How to send a GIF in Instagram DMs. This tutorial shows you how to share an animated GIF directly in a conversation on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on the message icon at the bottom of the screen to open your direct messages. From there, open the conversation you want to send a GIF in. At this point, tap on the sticker icon on the right side of the message bar. In the next step, tap on the GIF option from the menu that appears. Following this, a GIF search screen will open. Use the search bar to find a specific GIF or browse through the trending ones. Once done, tap on the GIF you want to send. Finally, it will be sent instantly in the chat for your friend to see and react to. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you send a GIF in your DMs, give it a like. Subscribe for more Instagram tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.